Hi, I'm Bjorn. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make stuffed mushroom caps with crab meat. Start by removing the stem from half a pound of mushrooms. Use a melon baller to make this job easier. When the stems are removed, chop them down into small pieces. Then finely chop a quarter cup of bell pepper, a quarter cup of celery, and a quarter cup of onions. Now add half a tablespoon of oil into a medium hot skillet. Add in the onions, bell peppers, celery, and mushroom stems. Saute while stirring for about 5 to 6 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Now in a large mixing bowl, whisk 1 egg. Pour in the sautéed ingredients and mix well. What filling do you love the best in your mushroom caps? Let us know in the comments. Then add 4 ounces of drained canned crab meat. Then add half a cup of softened cream cheese, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, quarter cup of breadcrumbs, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, quarter teaspoon salt, and quarter teaspoon black pepper. Now you mix all the ingredients really well. Then take out an oven-safe baking dish and place the mushroom caps with the stem side up. Add about a tablespoon of the mix to each mushroom cap. Then sprinkle half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese on top. And lastly, garnish by sprinkling some smoked paprika on top. About a teaspoon would do. Now bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese is golden brown and the mushrooms have a dark hue. If you have a lot of leftover mushroom filling, don't worry about it. You can turn that into an awesome dip. You can find that recipe on our website and on our channel. And there they are, golden brown stuffed mushroom caps with crab meat. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment. I'm Bjorn from Allspiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.